To install YouTube on Apple TV, start by ensuring your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Navigate to the Apple TV home screen and select the App Store icon. In the App Store, click on the search icon and type YouTube using the on-screen keyboard. Select the YouTube app from the search results. Then click the Get button to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, click the Open button to launch the YouTube app. You will be prompted to sign in to your YouTube account. If you have a Google account, you can use those credentials to sign in. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one directly from the YouTube app or by visiting the Google website on a computer or mobile device. After signing in, you can browse and watch your favorite YouTube videos on Apple TV. To get the most out of YouTube on Apple TV, make sure your device is running the latest software. You can check for updates by going to the Settings app, then selecting System and Software Updates. Regularly updating your Apple TV software ensures you have access to the latest features and security patches. By following these steps, you can easily install and start using YouTube on your Apple TV, enjoying a wide range of content from around the world.